Cloning is all about creating a copy of an app on your phone. So let's say you have WhatsApp on your phone, you can just create a copy of it and then you still get another WhatsApp on your phone. So you have two WhatsApp on one phone right here. So let me show you I can just clone app, duplicate app, or copy apps, which is the cloning on your phone right here. So let me show you how you can just do this. But some phones already have this cloning settings or cloning apps on their phone already. You don't need to download any third-party app. But some phones too, they don't have, and then you have to just download another app for this. So I'll show you how you can just do it if in case it is in your phone already. And then also the app that can really help you to clone apps on your phone. Let's start and let's begin. But if you are new, subscribe and like the video. I'll bring more IT on this channel. Let's begin with it.
So let me show you with the phone first, and then also I'll show you with the app second. Okay, so go to your settings, and then this phone is running version 13. So if in case you don't find this in your phone, maybe it may be because of the version, and this is Tecno Camon 20. So maybe you may not have this. That's why this is the first one for your phone, and then you can try the second one if you don't get this in your phone. Now go back and scroll down on your phone and look for special functions right here. Look for special functions and just tap on it. And when you come here, just scroll down, you will see one thing called App Twin. App Twin, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, WhatsApp right here. And these are the apps that you can just twin or duplicate or create a clone of it. So as you can see on the screen, I have the apps here, and then we are going to create a clone of it right here on the home screen. So just go to your settings, go to special functions, app twin, and then just turn Instagram on right here. Just turn it on. So you can see installing clone app added to home screen. So we are done with Instagram. Let's do the same. Now let's go back to verify. So you can see Instagram right here. We have Snapchat too right here, and this is the official Snapchat right here, as you can see on the screen. So this is how you can just create a clone on your phone or on your Android device. Okay, so this is the settings on, or this for Android. Now if in case you don't see it, the second thing or the next thing you can do is to go to your Play Store. So just go to your Play Store and download this app. The name of the app is Parallelspace. So you can see this is the logo, and then make sure you download this app on Play Store. Just install and then use the app to just create clone of your apps right here. So the app is installing, and kindly like the video for me and subscribe for more videos from here, because I'll bring more right here on this channel. If you have any question as well, leave it in the comment section. I will answer you with a video just like this one. So let's tap on open, and this is how this app will also run. And you can see allow Parallelspace to send you notification. Just tap on allow, and then tap on agree and continue right here, and continue once again, and tap on whilst using the app. If in case you see all this pop up, just follow what I'm doing and allow right here, allow once again, and then you can see we are done with it. Now tap on start right here to just clone apps. So they have these apps, as you can see on the screen. They have WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and then they also have other apps. Okay, so these are some of the apps that they have that you can just clone. So let me select Snapchat once again right here. So let me just unselect most of these apps. But let me select WhatsApp and then Instagram. Okay, then look down here, we have add to Parallelspace. Tap on it. So kindly the video for me. So with this permission, just tap on accept. Okay, so now the clone apps are here. We have Snapchat, we have Instagram, we have WhatsApp right here. So you can just tap here to add another app right here, and then it is simple. You just go through the apps and then just tap on it to create a clone of it. So just go to your home screen, and with this one, it will not come to your home screen, but it will be in the Parallelspace app right here. So just tap, and then you will see the app right here on your home screen. So this is the Parallelspace that you can just use to just create a clone apps or copy apps on your phone.
Thanks for watching this video. Check on the screen for more videos from here, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay alive. Bye for now. See you in the next video.